What does vitamin C serum really do for your skin? A vitamin C serum is a skincare product packed with vitamin C. It has the consistency of a liquid or gel, and is applied topically to the skin. The benefit of vitamin C is it's an antioxidant, so it helps prevent the forming of free radicals, which go on to break down collagen and elastin, and provides glowing, youthful skin. Vitamin C serum is typically applied once or twice per day. A good rule of thumb is to cleanse, tone, apply vitamin C serum, and then moisturize. Uses of vitamin C serum are the following. It helps to fade hyperpigmentation. Vitamin C application has been shown to fade dark spots and lead to a more even-toned complexion. Secondly, it promotes collagen production. Collagen is a naturally occurring protein that depletes over time. Vitamin C is well known for boosting collagen production. Lower levels of collagen can lead to fine lines and wrinkles. Thirdly, it protects against sun damage. Sun damage is caused by molecules called free radicals. Vitamin C is rich in antioxidants. Antioxidants protect healthy skin cells by giving these free radicals an electron, rendering them harmless. Fourthly, its brightening. Vitamin C serum helps to fade pigmentation and smooth the skin's surface to reduce dullness. This gives skin a youthful glow. Fifthly, it reduces the appearance of under-eye circles. Vitamin C serums can help to smooth out fine lines by plumping and hydrating the under-eye area. Sixthly, it improves hydration and moisture. Some evidence suggests vitamin C protects against moisture loss. Wrinkling and other signs of aging are directly related to loss of moisture in the skin. A person must apply vitamin C serums consistently over several months before they see results because it takes time for the skin cells to replenish.